On this video, I wanted to give my honest review on the program called Views for Income VIP. So if you someone who's actually looking and doing your own due diligence, hopefully by watching this video, you can decide if the program is right for you or not. My name is Sanjeev, and on my channel, I create videos, everything got to do with starting your own online business using YouTube automated channels. Okay, so let me share with you my screen so I can give a clear instruction what this program is about, right? I was in the program so for about 2 months, right? And I got a lot of value from the program personally. So this is how the program actually looks like. It's actually inside school community, and pretty much this is the creator of the channel of the program, right? So you can watch this video. And inside you can see there's 1.5 thousand members. And to actually join the community, it is $46 per month. Okay, you're gonna be paying like monthly. However, there's gotta be a lot of value that's actually shared inside the community. How you can create your videos yourself, how to automate your entire channel, right? Using the strategy that they actually teach you inside the program, right? And it's pretty awesome to be inside the program, right? Because they also do like mastermind calls, I think once or two times in a week, where you can actually jump on the mastermind calls and get to ask questions, right? That's the main thing. And that's where the majority of the value is at, okay, with the program. And I actually joined the program, and I enjoyed it. I was inside the program, so I think for about a couple of months, 2-3 months, and I extracted everything. Most of the things that they actually teach, I already knew about it, but little things, I'm always looking for that one or two things that can actually change my business, and which actually did. And if I actually go here, you can see my results in real time, right? So I know that I was inside the group, I was inside the community, and I was getting real results. So you can see sharing win got payment today from one of our account. Next month will be another wild one, pushing for over 20K to receive in the bank. So I received about $20,000 in the bank, and just a motivational post, which I actually did. So you can see in real time that I was inside the program, and inside the program they teach a lot of tools that you can use to actually automate your business as well, especially with AI, because AI is like really hot. How you can use AI to blow up your channel and everything like that. So if you're looking to get started with the program, I don't have any affiliate links. You can actually just approach the creators channel, and you can just join through the link that they actually provide, right? I'm not any sort of affiliate with the program. So once you get in, you just go through the classroom, and pretty much it's all laid out there step by step. So you can follow the process and start to create your own channel, and pretty much do YouTube automated channel, right? So that's the interesting part about having your own YouTube automated channel, because you can, in the beginning stage, you can learn the process, and once you know the process, you can pretty much outsource everything. That's what I actually did on my channel. Most of my channels are outsourced. Like, I don't touch my channel. I don't look at the channel day by day, because my team is actually creating the videos. They uploading the video on the channel, and I also shared with them the whole strategy, how to actually blow up the channel as well, right? So probably it takes me across like all my channels, it takes me like maybe 2 or 3 hours in a week, and I go through everything. The analytics, anything needs to be changed, I just go in my channel, I let my team manager know, so they can actually improve on the things that I'm looking to improve, like month after month on my channels, right? However, if you're also looking to get to know what YouTube automated channels are, if this is the first time using YouTube automated video, I'm going to be leaving a step-by-step training just beneath this video, so you can click and start to watch it, and that way you can understand like how this business model actually works. So again, thank you so much. If you have any question, just drop it in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to reply, and you have an awesome day. God bless, and bye for now. Ta-da.